us through like the way that you intake a lead all the way through the time that you sell them. Like, how do you handle that entire sales process?
Yeah. So Alfred's helped a ton for sure.
Yeah.
We get the lead in. I try to like speed has been like a huge factor. So like answering like last night I took a call at 10:30. Like always take the call as quick as you can. And if you can't, like get a hold of them as quick as you can.
Yeah.
And then just following up, getting the consultation set has helped, like just getting it as quick as you can. And
how do you go about setting that consultation? Like what is kind of your goal for that first phone call with them?
The first phone call is just get the consultation set. So like they'll ask me what the prices are, and I tell them like, hey, every dog is different. So like we got to meet in person so I can meet your dog and figure out what it's going to cost. And then just getting that consultation set like as soon as like I can get to it. So like trying not to push people back like a week or two. I've had like even times where somebody's called me and I'm in town, I'll just go be like, hey, I can meet up with you right now if you want. And that's helped a ton.
No, that's spot on, man. I mean, I think that the advice that you're giving right now is the advice that a lot of dog trainers, need, and may not be the advice like a lot of people want, which is there is no secret sauce to it. It's pretty much like if that phone is ringing, it should get answered. And even if it's at 10:30 at night, like you said, and you're like, I just want to lay on the couch and relax, or I'm getting ready for bed or whatever it may be. Like just get on the phone with them for 5 minutes, set them up with a consultation. It doesn't need to be a 25-minute long phone call, right? It sounds like you're setting these people pretty quickly.
Yeah. And so that's I answer the phone call and then it's like, hey, we do free consultations to help answer all these questions you have. And then after that, then I'll talk to them for, 5 or 10 minutes and just ask them questions. But nothing crazy.
So I'd love to kind of like get your feedback on this. So you said something that it hit home with me. I think it's so true. The idea of like, even if they're asking for pricing, just don't give it to them, right? Like there's no advantage to giving them pricing at all. But if people press you a little bit, so your response, it sounds like is pretty much like, hey, I just need to meet the dog first.
Yeah. That's like what you taught me. Like, hey, just, getting just having a good answer for it, because every dog is different. So I have like a price in my mind, but when I get there, it might be lower, it might be higher, kind of just depends. So it's an honest answer, and it's a
for sure.
one that gets you in the door,
Yeah, exactly.